Just polish it and clean your nails. Okay, and now we're applying the base gel. Please apply thinly and brush lightly, and pay attention to the edges of the nails. Now put it on the UV light to make it dry. Okay, it's done. And now we're gonna apply the color gel. This is an important part, and you have to apply it thinning and brush lightly. Let's try it. Yeah, apply the middle first. Okay, and put it inside and dry it. Okay, now the color gel is dry. Let's apply again because my nail is very small. You can apply it again. And same steps, just repeat the same steps. Okay, and uh, and now we'll show you. This is wrong demonstration. This is wrong. Yep, don't make it like this. Okay, now we apply the printing gel, and don't forget to apply it thinning and brush lightly, and pay attention to the edges of the nails. And now we have to adjust the position and the size of the patterns. And if you are not familiar with this operation, you can adjust it in advance and make your nails as close to the top layer and can't more than it. Yeah, you see, now it's perfect. Yeah, and put it on the UV light to make it dry. Okay, after printing, now it's dry. Now it's dry. Let's apply the top gel. And the same thing is apply it thinning and brush it lightly. And pay attention to the edges of the nail. Now put it inside and dry it again. Yeah, now it's finished. Yeah, perfect, right? It is brighter. Okay.